radio mode. The main menu features the following options. Band, used to select the frequency band, FM, AM, DAB, which will vary depending on country or equipment. Station list, used to display the list of stations. Manual, used to select a station manually. Settings, used to access the settings of the band or station selected. Stored stations, station frequency or name. Navigation between available stations. Radio text display. Digital radio mode. From the band main menu option, you can select the AM or FM frequency band as well as DAB digital radio mode. The digital radio supports DAB, DAB+, and DMB audio broadcasting standards. From the View main menu option, you can select which information is displayed on screen, for example, stored stations, radio text, or and slideshow. FM or DAB band stations can store the logos associated with the frequency. Station selection. The Station List button displays the list of stations. In the station list, you can change the sort mode by pressing Options, for example, alphabet, group, or genre. You can change the station from the main menu using the arrows on each side. You can change the function of the arrows in the Settings menu using the Seek Mode option. Preset list. Change stations stored in the presets. Station list. Change station using the Sort mode for the station list. You can select a station manually using the Manual function by pressing the Frequency button to make slight adjustments, gradually. You can also do so by using the controls on the steering wheel, station by station. If you wish to store the current station, press the Store option until the confirmation signal is heard. You can do this on the radio main screen by pressing a preset or in the station list by pressing on the station name. Stations that have already been stored will appear on the list with a star symbol. Settings. From the main option in Settings, you can adjust different options, such as assigning logos to stations, RDS settings, scan function, traffic reports, Seek mode, or band-specific settings.